In this video, I want to talk about how we set up a drywall lift. If you're going to be putting drywall on a ceiling by yourself, this is almost a must-have tool. Now, I rented this from a local place, but you can get them at Home Depot and things like that. If you're going to be doing a lot of drywall over 3 days on the ceiling, it's definitely worth buying your own. But in this case, it's just a one-day project for me, so I'm also using 4x10s, so this will be critical. All right, so the first thing we always do when we're setting up the drywall lift is we set up the base. Okay, and so we got to give ourselves some space to do it. This will come out in a triangle format. These will be here. There'll be a little switch that you want to push down on, and then this will fold out. This will begin to roll out like this. Push this down. All right, and there we go. Very cool. All right, these are super handy because they give you a ton of motion here, which is awesome. Then the next part is the actual crank assembly, which we will take, and this is the heaviest part, so be careful. Line this up, slap that on here. Then you pick up the next part. This goes right into the top assembly. This can fold over. Okay. Push this in to lock it in. And then we grab the two wings, which will slide right into here. And into here. This is kind of a pain in the butt to put together the first time, but once you've done it once, then you should be really good to go. It's real simple to operate. You can, there's a little spacer right here. You can lock it into place, which I typically don't use, but you roll this up. It will lift the drywall up. When you're ready to bring it down, there's a handle. You will engage it, and then you can slowly bring it down. All right, this is going to be a critical tool that we're going to be using to put up these 3 pieces of drywall. All right.